Global Big Data Market Report, Forecast to 2023. Market Research Future has published a research report about the global big data market that weighs increase for this market at a CAGR 13.35% from 2018 to 2023. By value, the market has been figured to be worth $81.5 billion by 2023. The service segment is projected to grow at a CAGR of 15.1%. The machine learning and data mining segment is poised to grow at a CAGR of 12.0% during the forecast period. The SME segment is calculated to witness a strong CAGR of 14.1% by 2019 to 2023. Regionally, North America big data market was valued at United States $17.436 billion and is expected to register a CAGR of 12.4% from 2018 to 2023. Cordially fill in sample request for more details.